Hello there, welcome to the Vital Blend. I'm Anthony, and today I'm going to show you how you can unlock more energy for yourself to use to go do the things in life that you want to do. And I use the word unlock because the energy that you want is already within you. It's already there. I'm just going to show you how you can get to it, because a lot of times people, they tend to think that energy is something that you can just take in the form of a drink or a smoke, and that's short-term stuff. And I'm going to show you why in just a little bit and get down to the root cause of where your energy is coming from and how you can free it up. So I want to use an analogy, okay? I'd like to do this with my clients every now and then just to kind of make things simpler, take health problems and turn them into a money problem. Let's say that you tell me I have no money, but I know you're making $5,000 a month, so where's the money going? And we take a look at your finances and we see, well, you've got a subscription going out to this, and you're going out to eat once a week here, and all this money is going out that shouldn't be. And so we clean up your finances to now you've got $1,000 to yourself that you could free up, right? That's great. You didn't get a second job, you didn't get a raise, we just made better use of the money you already had coming in. Right, that's the way it is with energy, right? It gets back to what I love, the laws of nature. They're absolute. The more that we can learn the laws of nature and learn to be in harmony with them, the better our lives will be, all right? Energy, can't create it, you can't destroy it. It is. You already have it, all right? We tend to think of energy as what we need to go get on a bike, to go on a hike, to go with our friends on Sunday, to go do whatever. But where does your body get the energy to digest the food that you eat? Where does your body get the energy to detoxify, to get rid of toxins from all the garbage that people are eating? It's the same energy that you want. But I'm going to tell you this, if you're eating a lot of complex foods and you're polluting your body with a lot of chemicals, a lot of fried foods, a lot of processed foods, your body's got to get rid of this stuff. If it's not natural, your body doesn't want it. And as soon as you make some headway getting things cleaned up, here comes another smoke, here comes another drink, here comes processed food, fried food, whatever. And so you have to understand that if you want more energy, you need to be cleaner on the inside. When you keep yourself clean on the inside, your body doesn't need that energy to break down complicated food, doesn't need that energy to clean out toxins because you're eating clean. This is why I tell you, you got to eat food to nourish yourself, to clean yourself so you can absorb what you're eating and keep your body clean so you can get rid of all the garbage that's in your body. Not just from the food that you eat. Every single cell in your body is making waste. The same way that we make waste, our cells make waste. Where do those wastes go? These wastes that our cells make, they're acids. I've talked about the acidic diets that people are eating. Add to the acidity that your cells normally give off just by doing what they do. If you can't get rid of this stuff, then you're going to be in a world of pain. You're going to have inflammation, plaque in your arteries, stones, all kinds of problems. And you're going to be tired. You're not going to have any energy. I don't know what to do. And people look to drinks. They look to cigarettes, short-term fixes, kind of like how high blood pressure meds artificially lowers your high blood pressure. It's an artificial fix, a temporary thing. All right, people tend to think that food gives them energy, but that's not true at all. I want you to think of this like gas for your car. Okay, I've had cars that I've run into the ground. Yeah, I fill them up with gas, but I put my foot on the gas pedal and they sputter. They don't have any power. Why? Because the engine is bad. It hasn't been cleaned, right? Guy over here could put the same gas in his car and it's got a lot of power. Why? Well, because it was kept well. The engine's clean. It's got power. It's got drive. This is exactly how it works with the human body. And so my advice to you is if you want more energy, clean up your diet, clean up your lifestyle, all right? Try a couple of weeks. Try to lean more raw. So I'm going to eat more raw fruits and vegetables. You know, maybe in the morning and the afternoon, eat fruits and vegetables. You know, make a smoothie, have a fruit bowl, have salads, eat as much as you want. In the evening, you know, have your baked potato with a salad or some non-starchy vegetables, but try to definitely make an effort to eat more clean. Get rid of the fried foods, the barbecue, the cookies, the chips, the crackers, any of that processed garbage. You know, ditch the alcohol, and the sodas, drink water, eat clean. Give it a trial. See what happens. Have you cleaned up your diet and gotten more energy? This is what happens. People, they eat whole plants. I feature it all the time. People, one of the first things they say, I've got more energy. Why? Is it because they started eating all of a sudden? No, it's because they're eating better. They're eating cleaner. Their body is cleaning itself and it's making headway without the obstruction coming in, without the garbage coming in and the chemicals and the oils and all this garbage. So let me know if you've cleaned up your act and gotten more energy. And maybe you went to run a marathon, you had so much energy. Let me know. If you're struggling with this, let me know what you're struggling with. You know, maybe you're hearing this and you're going, yeah, this is making sense. What do I do? Well, get on my calendar. My consults are free. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what you're having a struggle with. And I'll be glad to help you come up with an action plan and guide you to where you want to be. That's what I help people do. All right, so my info is below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it. And I want you to love yourself until we meet again. I want you to eat more plants, and I'll see you soon.